Hey everyone, long time no see. So I just wanted to make a quick upload for anyone who's been watching my acrylic DML panel build series, because that kind of dropped off the face of the earth about 2 months ago and I haven't really shown anything or done anything. Anyway, if you were following that, I apologize. I just wanted to let you know why and where this project is going forward from here for those who are interested. So basically, in the middle of that build, I moved house. This is the new place. This is the new room that I have to work with. And it's smaller than the old room. It's also our living area, TV room. It's not a dedicated listening room or anything like that. So long story short, the speakers that I build have to work in this room. Now, originally these were going to be part of a 2.1 system, so the 2 panels and a subwoofer. As you can see, there really isn't anywhere to put a subwoofer on the front wall. As you can't see, but I will tell you, there really isn't anywhere to put a subwoofer in the rest of the room either. So sadly, these are not going to work. They do roll off a bit too high, they don't have a satisfying bass, and I'm just not prepared to live with, half of a system basically. So what I need is a more integrated speaker, the equivalent of a conventional floor standing speaker, which doesn't really need additional bass reinforcement. So to that end, I have a pair of these. And they're not subwoofers, they are Dayton Audio 10-inch woofers. So these things play down to around 55 Hertz in a sealed enclosure. And in my case, they'll be playing up to around 300. So I plan to 250 to 300 Hertz, take all the energy of the bass frequencies into a driver that's designed to take it, and free up my DML panels to do what they do best, which is that sort of expansive mid-range sound, and that DML magic which really lives in the mids and upper range anyway. So that's what I'm doing. My next video is going to be the start of a brand new build series. It's going to be similar to these. I'm still going to use that frame design with the rigidly attached panel. It is just going to be a hybrid design, so I'm going to have the woofers kind of living down here inside the frame in a sealed enclosure, and then above that the panel will be on the front of the frame, its thing. There's going to be a crossover to worry about and all that kind of stuff, the complexity that goes with that, but I think it's going to be worth it in the long run. I also haven't decided if I'm going to add a tweeter or a super tweeter, which adds additional complexity obviously. So I think I'll just build these as a two-way and then measure, listen, see how it sounds and make a decision from there. So anyway, that's it for now. I just wanted to update anyone who'd been following along. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that there is some interest in this hybrid approach and that you'll want to see the next one, and hopefully it won't be too far away. So that's it. Nice to catch up. See you next time.